this Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the shrimp, pea noodles and spinach salad. And Chinese name is called 粉丝菠菜凉拌大虾. And the main ingredient we need for this, we need a bag of shrimp. You can use the cooked shrimp or not cooked shrimp. Either is okay. The non-cooked you just need to boil it. And if you want to know how to boil it, you can go to my shrimp Chinese shrimp ball, and you will know how to do it. And we need the peas noodles, and this kind of peas noodles. And brand is okay. We need a two bunch of peas noodles and a bunch of spinach and five cloves of garlic. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We add 2/3 of water to the pot, try to add more water, and we turn the stove. High flame, and put the lid on and cover it until the water is boiling. Okay, while the water is boiling, we just heat the water. We make our salad dressing. It's ready. We squeeze some garlic. This is the plain salt. We add 1 teaspoon plain salt to the garlic to squeeze the garlic. Okay. Turn the stove, high flame, and put the pot on. This is vegetable oil. We add a quarter cup vegetable oil to the pot. Now you can see the oil starts frying. We just let you see the spinach frying. We just let the oil heat a little longer, but don't let it heat, but not too long. So don't let the oil start to fire. So we just wait. I think this oil you can see is ready. We turn off the stove and add this oil into the garlic and the salt. Now we stir it. This is vinegar, Chinese vinegar. You can use any brand of Chinese vinegar is okay. Also, you can use the white vinegar. We add 1 teaspoon of vinegar into it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it. This is the Chinese the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. There's a pinch to it. Not too much. This is a cold tap water. We add a half cup cold tap water to it. This is a sesame oil. We add a few drops of sesame oil to it. This is a homemade chili oil, Chinese peppercorn oil. We add. If you want to know how to make this, you can go see my video to show you how to do it. We just don't get pepper. We just probably get 1 teaspoon of the Chinese peppercorn oil to it. This is the peppercorn. If you want to know how to make it, you can go to my video to see how to make the original Chinese peppercorn oil. If you like spice, if you want to add some spicy, you can add some chili oil. You also can go to my website to see my videos, original chili oil, to know how to make things. So add some chili oil to it. 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon is up to you. So right now, I make it. This is nice spicy. If you want spicy, just add chili oil. So this salad dressing is done. We use it later. This is pea noodles. We just cut the root and put it into our pot. And get another one. And we just need 2. Yeah, we just put a whole bunch of pea noodles into the pot. Add the boiling water to the pot. Boiling water to the pot. So boiling water you can soak the pea noodles. You just soak the pea noodles and with boiling water, and we'll drain it later. Just put it aside. Okay, we added the spinach into the boiling water for processing. Don't cover the lid, just let the hot water to boil the spinach, but not overboiled. Okay, we just put the spinach in the boiled for a little while, not too long. When the spinach, you see it becomes soft, we just get the spinach out and put it in the pot, soak in the cold tap water. The pot already added the cold tap water, so we soak the spinach into the cold tap water. So this is the spinach, you can see we soak it in the cold tap water. Very cool down. Okay, we added the shrimp, the cooked shrimp, and into the boiling water to cook. This is the cooking wine, and add 1 tablespoon cooking wine to it. If you have it, you add it. If you don't have it, you don't add it. Add 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and then more the shrimp. This shrimp we don't let it cook very long because it's already cooked shrimp. If it's not a cooked shrimp, you just follow my procedure, my videos, and call the Chinese boiled shrimp for that video, and then we know how to cook the uncooked shrimp. This is the cooked shrimp, so we won't cook very long. Probably cook for 1 minute. Done. We add it to a cold tap water. There's a pot. We add it to a pot. The pot has cold tap water. We add it to it. Cool down the shrimp. Put it on the stove. So this is the shrimp we soak in the cold tap water. Let it cool down. Okay, we check the piece noodles. When the piece noodles, it's easy to pinch off. That means this piece noodle is ready. So we just drain the water for the piece noodles. Be careful. Drain the water piece noodles. We use a cold temper water to rinse the piece noodles and cool down. Here, cool down the piece noodles, and we just put it here to drain the water. The cool down spinach, we drain the water. Drain the water. So this spinach, we try to squeeze it. Try to squeeze it. Let most of the water get out. So you squeeze it. Just hold it and squeeze it. Let most of the water get out. Okay, so there be a little spinach left. Okay, we added the drained water piece noodle into it. This piece noodle we can pour it because it's always too long. So we drain the water, drain the piece noodles into the pot. We can use the hand or use the scissors to pour it. It's always too long. For the shrimp, we drain the water. For the shrimp, they are already no shells but have teals. We just pinch the teals off. You just pinch the here and peel. And just pinch the part and peel it. This is the shrimp after cooked and peeled. The shrimp will get close to 1 cent, close to 1 pound. Here we add the shrimp into the pea noodles and the spinach. Okay, so we mix it. Okay, this is the sauce we made, the salad dressing we made. We add the salad dressing into it. It's up to you. You can add half or you can add all to it. Now we mix it. Try it. It is good. Okay, okay. So the shrimp, peas noodle, and the spinach salad, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.